The Cooler MASTERLIQUID ATMOS 2 360 is a premium all-in-one liquid CPU cooler designed to deliver top-tier thermal performance and aesthetics in high-end PC builds. With a 360mm radiator and 3 high-efficiency fans, it builds to handle heavy workloads, whether you're gaming at ultra settings, rendering complex 3D scenes, or pushing your CPUs with overclocking. The larger radiator, surface area and optimized airflow helps keep temperature low while reducing fan noise compared to smaller coolers. What really sets the Atmos 2 apart is its advanced pump design and customizable RGB lighting across both the pump head and fans. The lighting can be synchronized with most motherboards' RGB's ecosystem, allowing you to create cohesive lighting themes across your system. The pump also incorporates smart features to maintain stable coolant flow and minimize vibration, contributing to quiet overall operation. Installation is straightforward for an all-in-one, with mounting hardware that supports a wide range of modern CPU sockets. The included fans are tuned for a balanced or static pressure and airflow, ensuring efficient cooling through the dense 360mm radiator fins. Overall, the Cooler Master Liquid Atmos 2 blends robust cooling performances, striking visuals, and quiet operation, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts building high-performance PCs where both thermals and aesthetics matter.